If your body feels tense, restless, or on alert for no clear reason, this isn't you failing to relax. It's your nervous system doing its job at the wrong time, and it directly affects your strength, your energy, and your longevity. Hi, I'm Wendy. I help women over 45 how to rebuild strength, vitality, safety, and independence that fit real life without extremes. A sensitized stress response keeps your muscles tight, your heart rate elevated, and your system bracing for something that isn't happening. You can't build strength or consistency from that state, but you can shift it. This experience shows you how to interrupt that cycle with presence instead of pressure so your body feels safe enough to settle and recover and rebuild. When your nervous system feels supported, your whole fitness journey changes. So, before we begin to go through the experience, take a breath in through your nose, letting your belly expand and then your lungs, and hold that for a second. And now breathe out through your mouth through pursed lips. Great. Just take that moment. Now grab a pen and a paper for notes and be sure to let us know how we can help. Enjoy.
Welcome to When Your Body Won't Settle Down, part of the Sensitized Nervous System Relief Library. Use this video when your body feels tense, restless, or on edge. This is for when you can't settle, and your mind says relax, but your body won't listen. The disconnect between your mind and body can feel baffling and frightening. You're not in danger right now, but everything still feels tight. Your nervous system is not broken. It's doing exactly what it was designed to do, but under sustained stress it gets stuck in high alert. The off switch doesn't fully disengage. This is the sensitized stress response. The system is stuck on alert, and the alarm remains. Like a car alarm bumped too many times, it's not broken, just miscalibrated. Here's what this looks like in your body and what it actually means. These sensations are not signs that something is wrong, but rather signs that your system is trying to help. Fighting this tension rarely helps, and frustration at not relaxing becomes its own source of stress. It adds a second layer of tension on top of the first. Try acknowledgement instead. Place one hand on your chest or stomach. Feel the warmth of your own hand. Say nothing, ask nothing. Just notice. This works because your nervous system calms not when you force it, but when it feels accompanied. The steps are to notice, accompany, and shift. Commands like just relax or forcing calm don't work. What does work is non-demanding attention, quiet presence, acknowledging sensation, and letting your body feel noticed. The safety signal your body is waiting for is not a command or a fix, but your attention. Quiet presence is the signal it needs. The key insight is that your body isn't failing you. It's protecting you the only way it knows how. The safety signal it needs is your quiet attention, a presence, not a command. Return here anytime the tension comes back.
If this helped your body settle even a little, make sure to grab your copy of my 5-step plan for fitness and longevity. It's free, and it will give you the exact practices women over 45 use to rebuild strength, confidence, safety, and consistency. And the link will be in the description below. If you found this valuable, we invite you to please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help more women find this work, and we really do appreciate it. I'm Wendy, and you can learn more about us at wendybottrell.com. Thanks for being here. Bye for now.